Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is such an exciting video because literally I have had this box sitting in my closet for like 4 days trying to find the time to make this video. And as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be reviewing the new Anastasia Beverly Hills products that just came out. One is the Soft Glam palette and the other one is the Amrezy highlighter. I am so excited because like literally when I saw it, I was just like, yes, like online, of course. Like I said, I haven't even opened the box. I mean, I literally just opened it right now, so I wouldn't have to struggle with it. But anyway, so I'm just going to do this video as quick as possible because I got to go in 30 minutes. But I hope you guys do enjoy, and I hope this review is helpful. Alright, so let's get started. I got this from Anastasia Beverly Hills online. I did not get this on Sephora. But I got both the Soft Glam palette, like I said, and the Amrezy highlighter. So, because I already went ahead and did the face first, of course, and the brows and all that good stuff. But the only thing I did not put on my face was the highlighter. So I'll do that to the very end. But first, let's go in with the Soft Glam. Like I said, I saw this online already, but I have not seen it up in person. So, ooh. Can we just talk about this color? Like, this color just screams me, because if you guys have seen my previous videos, you know that I love my soft orange undertones. So I have a feeling I'm gonna love this. So let's open it together. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Like, it just literally has everything I love. It has the glitter, a really pretty glitters that I typically always go with, which is like gold and like pinks or just things like that for the lid, as far as like the sparkly ones. And then it has like all these soft colors, and it has a black shadow in the corner, which I am so picky about because I hate when palettes don't have a black shadow, because then you can't smoke it out, you know. I feel like I can just travel with this palette looking at it, but let's put it to the test. Let's see if it works. So let's jump in. And first, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone using another product because I don't feel like it has a good highlighting brow bone shade here. So that's like the only thing I'm probably not going to do using this palette, but the rest I will do. So I'm just going to do that really quickly. Just highlight the brow bone using the High Beam by Benefit. It's like my go-to all the time because I'm so fair. It's just like the only thing that works for me. I'm in a really big of a rush because I have to go to Santa Barbara right now. We have to go shopping before our trip. I'm going to be going to Mexico in a couple days. So because I'm going shopping, I can literally do anything right now. I can keep it natural. I can go smoky because I have to go shopping for makeup. And you know, if you go shopping for makeup, you got to look hella extra. Well, at least I do. Well, for me, you know what I'm saying? All right. So for my transition shade, I'm going to go with, I typically actually use this on other palettes. I'm going to go in with the burnt orange shade as my transition shade. And I'm going to be using the E40, just the big fluffy brush for this part right here. So I'm just swirling, ooh. See, all of Anastasia's eyeshadows, I feel like they just have so much fallout and they're so powdery, which is so annoying because I have to be like doing this over here. But anyway, no big deal. So I'm putting this as my transition shade. And honestly, not only because I'm doing this review, but I feel like Anastasia's eyeshadows are one of the best eyeshadows besides Morphe as well, because I really like their shadows as well. But Anastasia's are typically so blendable, so just, I don't know, they're really easy to blend because they're really powdery, I feel like, and they're not so cream base, I feel. So I'm using this as my transition shade. I honestly don't even know how I'm gonna, like, I have no idea what this look is gonna look like at the very end. Just saying. Alright, I'm probably gonna do some halo eyes, like that's kind of what this thing is calling me for. And I'm wearing my wedding bands on the wrong hand. I know, it's just that on my other hand, they fall out, and my right hand is for some reason chubbier. Am I the only one that's like that though? I don't know. Alright, next shade, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This is Rustic, and I'm going to be using the M513. And I'm going to keep this right under my transition shade and bring it all the way in my inner corner. So I'm going to use windshield wiper motions, circular motions to blend this out. So So I'm going to bring this all the way in this inner corner as well, using circular motions because we want to have this as blended as we can. I really like this color combination, I'm not gonna lie, because this is just, it has everything. It has peaches, it has a little bit of pinks, mauves, black, burgundy. I just feel like it has all those shades in here, and so far, like, that's why I bought it. Like, when I saw this online, I was like, take my money. Like, I wanted this so bad the moment I saw it, and I'm not even kidding. It's really hard for me to feel that about a palette. So when I see one that I'm like, yes, like, I go out and buy it. Like, I don't even care if I don't have money in my bank account. Alrighty. Okay, so now going in with my E17, which is a little bit of a tighter blending precision brush, I'm gonna go in with this one, the Mulberry, right here in this inner corner, and I'm gonna keep it also right below all those shadows we just used previously. So I want to keep this as tight as I can into my crease. So I'm just gonna, like, how would you call it? So I'm just gonna press this on my crease and literally start working it in. Circular motions, windshield wiper motions. It's okay if you get some here on the base, it's fine, because we're gonna go over that in just a second. Okay, so I really want to darken this look up a little bit. So I'm going to grab this dark shade, the Noir, whatever. This a black shade that it comes with, just matte black shade. And I'm going to use the M506 by Morphe. And I'm literally just going to keep this as tight as I can right in the outer corner and right on the crease. So tapping this on the outside and dragging this in. Don't go crazy with this. You want to use a very nice flat precision brush because you do not want to get this all smoked out. So I'm doing windshield wiper motions and then circular motions to blend this up into the rest of the shadows a little bit. Just like so. Okay, so now for my inner corner, I'm going to be using Fairy, which is a very nice light gold. And I'm going to be using the E36 by Morphe just to apply this right in my inner corner. So I'm pushing my brush in here. So make sure for every shadow you're really tapping off the excess, just because you don't want to get any fallout. So I'm literally just going to press this in my inner corner and just kind of open up that inner corner. Pretty. So now for the base shade, I really want to use this one right here. It's the bronze. It just looks so pigmented and so like gold. Let me swatch it. Let me see how it looks. You guys see that? Let me see it. I can't even see it. It's really, really pretty. So we're going to put this on my base, so like right in this middle section. So using my MAC 242, which is a flat precision brush, I'm going to push my brush in there and apply this just right in the middle here. Make sure you're tapping, not like really so much swiping too much, because you don't want to blend it with the rest of the eye. So I'm just putting this in the middle, not going so far in, not going so far out, neither going so far up. It's just like right in that little center. Just like so. Alright, so now that that is applied, I'm going to go back with the M506 brush and just go over, like, this is the clean brush that we used for the black. This has no product on it, so I'm literally just going to go over this glitter just to make sure that it's not like all over the place. There we go. Okay, and then for my very last step, I'm going to use another transition shade just to blend everything together. So I'm probably going to use Orange Soda up here and just blend any shadow that may have created any hard lines, anything like that. And this is the brush M441 by Morphe. And I'm literally just going to go over this very, very lightly starting at the top and just starting to blend this out. Like, seriously, go so soft with this. Like, you do not want to move any shadow around. You just kind of want to almost blur anything out, but not move it around. Does that make sense? So just very light-handed. I'm gonna go, because I did get a little bit of glitter on this outer part. I'm gonna go in the same thing with the black from the palette and just press this on the outside. Just because I do not want it glittery, obviously. Okay, so I really don't want to go with eyeliner, like a winged out eyeliner, because when it comes to crazy smoky eyes like this, putting eyeliner on top for me makes my eyes look just very tiny and small. So I'm literally just gonna put a little line of eyeliner, black eyeliner on my lash line and apply lashes, and then I'll be right back with the rest of the eye look so we can smoke out our lower lash line. Okay, so I already went ahead and applied some lashes. These are the Ardell lashes. I believe in Wispies, or yeah, I think they're Wispies. Honestly, I don't even remember. But there we go. Okay, so now that the lashes are on, literally makes the biggest difference ever. So now we're gonna smoke out the lower lash line, obviously using the same palette. Alright, so now grabbing my Sigma E30, which is a pencil brush, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. And I'm going to be using, what is this, Cypress Umber, right just below on the lower lash line. So tapping that brush in there, and I'm literally just going to start smoking this out, keeping this on my outer corner and bringing it in all the way in, but not over that highlighted inner corner. So I'm just going to put a little bit more on the outer corner. Same thing on this side. There we go. And I think that's enough. I don't want to go too crazy smoky also on the lower lash line. Alright, so last step for the eyes. I'm just going to coat the lower lash line using the Lancome mascara in L'Extreme. So I'm just going to lightly coat them. So I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but I did get a little bit of fallout on my cheeks. So typically when that happens, this is exactly why I do my eyes first. But anyway, so what I would do first is, of course, let this mascara dry. So give me a second for that. Grabbing my F35 by Sigma, I'm literally just going to brush off any fallout I may have had. So just like so. Alright, so that is it as far as the palette goes, which is the soft Glam palette. I personally, 1 out of 10, I rate it a 10 because I just think it has all the shades. Like, I am truly, honestly obsessed with this palette, and it's really difficult. Like, I feel like the only 2 palettes I've ever been obsessed with was the Huda Beauty one, the newest edition one. I forgot, what is it called? I forgot what it's called. That's like one of my favorite palettes, and then this would come in actually number 1 now. Like, I'm definitely gonna be taking this palette with me to Mexico. So loving it so far. So now let's move on to the next product I purchased. All right, so now moving into this other product I purchased. I'm so excited. This is the Amrezy highlighter. So like I said, I have not opened this yet. So I'm excited to see this in person. Ooh, it's all fancy. It has like 2 boxes. Okay, but even before I open this, literally the packaging on this is so freaking pretty. I feel like I just like the little stars. It just looks so elegant. Anyway, ooh, and it has like this rose gold like around. It's really pretty, I think. Anyway, so let's open this up. Oh snap, even opening this, like, it's like blinding. It's so beautiful and has like this little wave to it, like pressed on. It's really cool. All right, so let's see what all the fuss is about. Literally when I saw this online and she was like swatching it on her hand, that's when I first saw the big reveal, I think, me. So when I swatched it, I was like, oh my god, I literally was waiting for it to come out, and I was like, yes, 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 100 times yes. Like, I need this highlighter, like, need it. So let's see if the hype was worth purchasing this. So I'm gonna grab my favorite highlighting brush, which is the M510 by Morphe. I'm just gonna brush this on there. I don't know if it doesn't really flicker a lot of powder, which is nice, because typically a lot of highlighters would just like explode everywhere. so that's really nice. Okay, so applying this on the cheek. It takes a while for my skin to really pick up that highlight. Oh shit! Okay, okay. My husband hates when I highlight my cheeks, but he ain't gonna be complaining today. It is so pretty. Like, honestly, it's like when you look at it in front, it doesn't seem like it's such like a big crazy highlight, but when you like turn to the side and the sun hits you, it's just like blinding. Oh, yes. And typically I always do go with with golden highlighters, because using white ones I feel like it's just too blinding. So I really love that this was a golden undertone to it. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be doing this all day, like talking to people like, do you see the highlight? Do you see it? Okay, cool. So freaking, I can't stop using it. I'm gonna be like a freaking goddess mess today. This is good. This is real good. 10 out of 10. And what I also love, I'm super picky with highlighters because I hate when they have a glitter in them. Glitter has like those little specks of, you know, glitter, and this one is just like a sheen. It's really pretty. It's not so light, it's not dark, it's a golden undertone, which is my favorite. That's why I bought this. That's why I'm like, I need it. Hell yeah. My husband's singing in the background. Thanks for interrupting. I told him to like not make any sound, but there he goes. All right, so far I am really impressed by this new line that Anastasia came out with, which once again I'm not disappointed. I mean, Amra is just like perfection. Every time she posts a picture on Instagram and I'm like, why is this bitch so perfect? That's not fair. Anyway, but I love her makeup and everything, her fashion, guys, like it's freaking awesome. All right, so I'm just gonna apply the lips and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that completes this look. Honestly, I am totally 100% obsessed. Literally, it's probably my new favorite. I'm not gonna lie, I'm being completely honest. And the Amrezy highlighter, like, yes. 100 times yes, I approve. I love it. Like, seriously, like, I'm gonna go shopping and I'm pretty sure someone has to tell me that my highlighter is popping, because it really is. All right guys, so I hope this review was helpful. Literally a lot of friends and family have been asking like, hey, like, because I told them I was gonna purchase it and they told me, dude, do a review on it, or how do you like it? I'm like, I haven't filmed a video, wait for me. So today is Saturday. No, what day is it today? Oh, today's Sunday. So it should be going up tomorrow, Monday. And hopefully this review was helpful for you guys. Honestly, I would definitely, if you're looking for a new palette or don't know what palette to purchase, if you don't know good quality palettes, this one, A+. And this one, if there was anything above A+, that's what this is. Like, it was so real. It was really, really good. I really love it. But anyway, that concludes this video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video.